Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second U.S.-Japan dual-use seminar. When the U.S. and Japan speak of cooperating in space, they're not simply talking about exploration. They're talking about shared supply chains, trusted technology, resilient systems, and a commercial industrial base that underpins this broader alliance. And that's why today's dual-use seminar is so timely.
In our current geopolitical climate, uncertainty prevails. Yet, Japan and the United States remain united by a common goal of maintaining a free and open Indo-Pacific, thriving for a region where all countries can prosper. To accomplish this, our nations must work closely together to advance defense technologies, including space tech, ensuring regional stability.
I believe California is one of Japan's largest exporters. California exported over $6 billion of aerospace products just last year. Japan is one of the largest importers to California. So this is an extremely complex space economy and a global space economy.
So it can show how one individual can make just an enormous difference in how things can happen. There's been tremendous progress, and I think the partnership with our allies as this technology requires efforts beyond just the U.S. borders. And that's how the ultimate goal of all of this in defense reform, in my view, is to create a deterrence effect so we don't actually have to fight a war, and that will be success.
Planet Labs is a company that has the mission to image the whole world every day and make global change visible, accessible, and actionable. We have a lot of satellites on orbit. We have a huge proprietary data set, and we provide a number of solutions, both satellite services, which is what we provide to JSAT, and AI-enabled solutions.
We can provide stable and wide coverage communication services to national security purposes, as well as non-defense commercial markets. Just like we did with Planet Labs, we are investing in both venture capitals as well as startups.
GITAI is a space robotic startup that aims to provide a safe and affordable means of labor in space. We aim to provide robotic workforce which is capable of constructing infrastructures such as solar panels, communication antennas, habitation modules, aiming to reduce the cost of working in space by 100x.
And what I'm very happy to talk about today is the fact that this U.S. and Japan alliance, it is not theoretical. It is truly, truly operational. And as an operational alliance, we are building momentum towards what is a shared vision for a thriving space economy. The United States and Japan share a vision for the future of space. And in order to get there, it requires this kind of collaboration and certainly seminars like this that propel that vision forward. We are very, very optimistic about where we're going and what we're doing both as a company and as allied partners in space. And thank you all very much for your kind attention. Thank you.
What an excellent program we had today with a number of interesting speakers. And thank you all for being here and spending time with us. Again, I want to thank our hosts, the Japan Innovation Center, our organizers, JCCNC, and of course our sponsors, the Consul General and the Consulate. All right, thank you everybody. Thank you for being here. Enjoy the rest of the evening.